Hi guys, good morning. Today we will discuss keywords. Before going to the topics, I want to discuss with you all. I hope everybody have travels by airlines and train. So how do you book the tickets? By using the website of airlines and website of railway, correct? Fine. So whenever you book the tickets and you are traveling, the ticket has been booked on your name only and you are traveling for some purpose, correct? So, and on your ticket nobody can travel, right? Yes. So in the keywords in Python, everything has been reserved. Okay, the keywords are reserved in Python that have some specific meaning, and that has special words. We'll talk the special words in these videos. So you just understand that keywords are reserved words and have some special purpose or some special words, and keywords can't be used as an identifier. Again I am repeating, keywords can't used as an identifier. Identifier I already discussed in my videos. So you just go back and see my video, watch my videos. What is identifier? Variable name, function name, etc. Okay. There are total 35 keywords are available in Python. Okay. And everything in Python is called as object. Everything in Python is called as an object. Okay. So you may ask the question, sir, you saying you are mentioning 35 keywords are available in Python. How do we know? Okay. So we can know that we just use import. Import is a keyword. Import keyword. Okay. Then use the print statement. Print keyword dot 𝗘𝗃𝗲𝗰𝗍. 𝗘𝗃𝗲𝗰𝗍. What is 𝗘𝗃𝗲𝗰𝗍? 𝗘𝗃𝗲𝗰𝗍. It's a keyword list. Used for keyword list. If you want to see how many keywords are available, you just use keyword 𝗘𝗃 list. Fine. So let me copy this program and go to my PyCharm and paste it here. Okay. Sorry guys, I have pasted. Now I have pasted. Import keyword print keyword dot 𝗘𝗃 list. Execute it by pressing. You can see the green button here, arrow green button. You just press once. All the keywords you can see here. There are total 35 keywords are available in Python, and these are reserved words. That is a special words, right? I hope everybody have travel by a special tickets, right? Also, that has been only for you only, right? That has been allotted for you only. So same in the Python, keywords are only allotted for some specific purpose. You can't use as other purpose. You can't use as identifier also. Correct? Hopefully I am clear. Still here. Okay. So I just scrolling and you can see all the keywords here. For, from, global, if, import, in, lambda, right? You can see try here, return, yield, with, false, true. You can see the difference of false. It is starting with caps F and T, true. Starting with caps T. So you have to remember this, right? You can't use the same. Okay? Whatever the keywords are there, you have to use the same. F caps, P caps in true, non, N caps. Correct? So by using this program, you will be able to see total keywords. Correct? So total 35 keywords are available. Okay? Okay, sir. So you may ask some questions like how we can ask. You can ask, I want to see the total. Sir, I'm not able to see. Is it like 35 keywords or like 36 keywords or 30 keywords? Right? I'm not able to count because many keywords are there. So you just use length function. You can use before keyword len bracket and closing bracket, and you can just run it. You get 35 keywords, right? Same I have spoken. 35 keywords, total 35 keywords. Okay? Sir, I am not able to understand again. Then you might let me explain again. Correct? So run it. What is KW list? Sir, I already explained KW list. KW list is keyword list. If you want to see the total list in keywords, how many keywords are available, you can use this KW list and you will be able to see all the available keywords. Okay. Then you might ask, so why it is quoted with single quote? You can see after bracket you have, it is mentioned single quote, open single quote, close single quote, right? This one quote why it is. So we'll discuss in the list. Okay, we'll cover in the list why it is mentioned and what is this. Till now you just understand whenever you are defining list. Okay, whenever you are defining list, these formats only came into the pictures. If it is opening with the brackets and if you are defining any strings, that strings will come in the single quote. Open and close, open and close, open and close. And this is the list format. So that's why it is in this bracket, closing brackets and opening. You can see. So these all are within the list. Okay. And the single quotes treating as a string. Correct. We'll discuss in deeply. No need to worry. Okay. Fine. So we have also seen the total length. Let me copy. If you want to see total length, you just use len We'll find the total list. Close the parenthesis. Okay. Yeah. Fine. Okay. So this is called a open parenthesis. This is called as a open parenthesis, and this is called as a and then closing parenthesis. Correct? This is called as a close parenthesis, and this is called as a open parenthesis. Let me copy this and paste it here. 35 keywords. The 35 keywords are here. Okay, here 35 keywords. Open parenthesis and closing parenthesis. These are treating in list format. Fine. Going further, we will discuss what is variables. What is variables? I hope everybody know container. Everybody have like bucket, correct? Bucket. In bucket, why use bucket? Bucket we can use at everybody have home, right? We have a bucket, and the bucket I use for different purpose, right? For taking waters inside, correct? And taking bath, and have different purposes, correct? So in the bucket we can use waters. In bucket we can use any liquid materials, correct? Will kept inside the bucket, correct? And that liquid will be inside that only, that materials will be inside that only. Fine. So same in variables, means you just understand in logic, in simple way. Variables is something, I hope I have given the examples of buckets, right? You are keeping something inside of bucket, inside bucket. You are keeping inside something in bucket, correct? The same in variables, something he will keep inside his. Okay. So variables are reserved memory location. Reserved variables are also reserved memory location for storing data or values, data types. Variables are reserved memory location for storing data or value, data types. Okay, means you are storing something inside the variables. Okay, variables are dynamically data type language. Variables are dynamically typed language. Okay, sir. What is dynamic type? So in most of the program, C, C++, Java, right? So whenever you are writing the program in C and you are using the variables, right? So you are defining the data types for storing that value in the variable, correct? But in the Python, no need to use data types. Pythons are most intelligent, and they are Python are most intelligent and are able to understand whenever you are defining any variables. Correct? Means what I want to say, if you are defining, suppose in C programming, if you are defining C program, how you can defining the data types? You are defining some data type int and variables equal to 10. So you are telling to variable that I am defining the integer data type, correct? In the C program, you are saying you are defining integer data type, and if the value is 10, and that 10 value will be stored in var variables. But in Python, no need to define int. Just define var 10. Then variable in the 10 value will be stored inside var variables. No need to mention int data type. Correct? So that's why Python is dynamically data type language. No need to mention data type here. Right? So comment and what is it's a int data type. Correct? Suppose I am defining var equal to 20.5. What is this? Var equal to 20.5. It is float data type. Correct? I am defining var equal to welcome. What is this? Welcome is a string data type. Okay? String data type. If I am defining var equal to single quote a, then what is this? Single char data type. It's also a char data type. Is the string data type. Okay? Fine. So let me put it in the program. Note one point. A string or char. What is char? This is the char. The one letter I have enclosed with single quote. This is called a char data. And more than one char, that is called a string. Okay? So, a string or char always enclosed with single quote or double quote. Fine? Okay? Fine. So note a string or char always included with single quote or double quote. So here I have defined in the single quote or its double quote also you can define. You can use. Let me use double quote as well. Var equal to double quote web. Good. That is also fine. You can use Prakash. Correct. That is also fine. Okay. Then going further, let me print all this. I have written that where equal to 10, int data type, float data type, string data type, char data type. Sir, how do you know this int data type, float data type, string data type, char data type? How do we know? Okay. So let me explain you, sir. Copy this, paste here. Okay. And below, just write print where, and before where type okay, same print where print type where, okay, print, what is type? I want to see the type of data types of variables. These are the integer types, these are the float types, these are the string types or not, right? You want to see it. So, and just mentioning here, print type where, okay, again print type where, okay, and just run it. We'll see. Where 10 is what I mentioned, int data type. So where in the output class int, for the first case statement it is showing class int, correct? Same I have also mentioned, it's an integer data type. Coming to the third statement here, third line, it's a float data type. I have mentioned float data type while explaining. In the output you can see it is showing float data type. It's a where, fifth line, a string data type. See sir, it's saying a string data type, correct? Again, seventh line, where equal to a char data type or string data type, it is saying string, and VedTech, so it is also mentioning a string data type, right? Fine. So we have seen that these all statements are correct and verified till here. Fine. So what is type, sir? What is type here? So type are used to see the data types, correct? If I am defining the integers, float value, string values, so if you want to see, then use the type. Till now just understand in the simple language, right? I will explain deeply in the further class what is type and other keywords. So if you want to see the data types, you can use. Okay. So what is class here? What is class, sir? What is class? So class is defining. Class is, you know that Python everything is an object and class format, correct? In Python everything is object and class, correct? So that's why it is showing class, class, class str, class str, class str, class int, correct? Due to that. Huh? Okay. Let me comment this. All programming. Okay. Write a program to swap two number. Write a program to swap two number. Okay. This is our first program. How you can write? Okay. Write a program to swap two number using third variable. Okay. So let us suppose a equal to 10 and b equal to 20. A equal to 10 and b equal to 20. Fine. Correct? Okay. So these are two variables available. Two variables, they int data types. And b is also int data types. Correct? Two variables, a and b. So the program is saying use the third variables and swap these two numbers. Okay. Then I'm using third variable as 10. I'm using third variable as 10. So temp equal to a. So what I am doing? What is the initial value of a? What is the initial value of a? The initial value of a equal to 10. Correct? The initial value of a equal to 10. Correct? So here now the initial value of a equal to 10 means a means temp. Now the temp value will be 10. Correct? Because I am temp equal to a means that I am initializing the values of a inside temp. Again, I am initializing the value of a inside temp variables. Correct? Fine. So now temp equal to a. So now the value of temp equal to 10. Temp equal to 10. Fine. Now b equal to a. Now a equal to b. Sorry guys. Now a equal to b. First I am initializing the value of a inside temp. Now I am initializing the value of b inside temp. Okay. Now I am initializing the value of b. Now the b value is equal to 20. Now the b value equal to 20. Then now a equal to how much? 20. How it is? Because previous the value of b equal to 20. Correct? So same the b value I am taking and initializing inside a variables. So a equal to 20. Correct? Now b equal to 10. B equal to 10. So what we will do? Now b equal to 10 means temp means the b value equal to what? 10. How it is? Because at the initially you can see that what is the value of a? equal to 10, B equal to 20. So I am taking the value of A means 10, and here I am keeping inside 10. So the value will be 10. 10 value will be 10. So what is the previous value of B? Previous value of B is 20. So I am taking the 20 and keeping inside A. Then value of A will be 20. Okay. Then, sir, what is the previous value of B? Okay. What is the previous value of 10? So previous value of 10 was 10 here. Okay. So I am keeping the 10 inside the B variables. So then what will be the value of 10? This is the value of 10. The value of 10 is 10. And now the value of B equal to 20. Sorry, B equal to 10. Correct? So print it after step values of A comma B, A comma B each, comma A comma B, and I just run it. Let me just comment it. If I comment this, it will not execute, it will not run. Just run it. You can see after step, after swap, value of A and B is 20 and 10. What are the previous value of A and B? The previous value of A equal to 10 and B equal to 20. After swapping, what is the value of 10 and 20? Value of A and B is 20 and 10. Means our syntax is correct. Okay, fine. Okay, second question, second logic we can apply. Okay, second logic we can apply by using plus operator and minus, plus operator and minus operator. Okay, how we can define this? So I am taking the same example, A equal to 10, B equal to 20. Okay guys, fine. So I am defining here A equal to A plus B. A plus B means comment means the value of A equal to how much? 30. Okay, the value of A plus B equal to 30. Okay, now B equal to A minus B. What is the value of B? Value of B is A minus B. A minus B. Tell me. A minus B. Or else you just use, or else you, whatever it is there, you just keep it just and use it. Initially what I used, 5 or 10, 10 or 20, right? Let me same example. Okay, 10 plus 30. Okay, then B equal to A minus B. Okay, so what are the previous value of A? Equal to 30. Then A minus B means 30 minus B. How much? 30 minus B means, let me explain clearly here. A 10 plus 20. Now how much? 30. Now A equal to 30. Okay. A minus B. What is the A value now? What is the value of A equal to 30? A equal to 30. What is the value of A? 30 minus B. What is the value of B? 20. 20. Now B equal to how much? Tell me. 10. Okay. B equal to 10. Okay. Now A equal to A minus B. A equal to A minus B. Then what is the A value? What is the A value? What is the A value? The A value is 30. Now the B value is 10. Now A equal to how much? 10. Okay. Sorry, 20. Okay. 20. Correct. Now you can print this. Print after swapping the values of A and B is A comma B. You can see. Let me comment this. Let me comment this. Okay. Let me comment this program. Okay. Run it. You can see. After swapping the value of A and B is 20 and 10. What is the previous value of A? 10. Previous value of B equal to 20. After swapping, it is 20 and 10. Okay. So what I did here, let me make you understand. Let me make you understand here. I took A equal to 10. Means I am initializing 10 inside the variable A. Again 20 I am initializing inside B. Then value will be, the B value will be 20. Fine. So A equal to A plus B. A equal to A plus B means 10 plus 20 means total 30. Means A value is 30. A minus B means 30. The value now is 30, correct? So 30 minus 20 means the B value, correct? Then B value will be 10. Now the B value is 10. Now A equal to A minus B means what is the initial value of A? 30. Then 30 minus 10. What is the value of 10? Now 10. Correct? Then the B value will be 10. Then A equal to 20. If you minus, then you will get 20. Then it will be inside here. Correct? If you print A and B, you will get the answer. Correct? So apart from that, third program, let me copy in single statement. Okay. How to print, how to swap the value in a single statement. Swap the value in single statement. Okay. Single statement you want to print, right? So let us suppose the A comma B is a variable and I'm initializing some value 10, 20. Then 10 will go inside A and B will go inside, 10 will go inside A and 20 go inside B. Then value will be the value of where is comment? The value of A equal to 10 and the value of B equal to 20. Okay, fine. Now I want to swap in one statement. Then each A comma B equal to B comma A, and print. Then print after swap values of A comma B is A comma B. How much? Can see, correct? Just execute this program. Let me comment this second program. Okay. Control and / multi-line comments. I already discussed how to comment. Let me comment this also. So that's done and it will get executed. Okay. I will show you swap and single line. Okay. Just run it. Okay. You can see after swap value of A comma B is 20 and 10. What is the previous value of A and B? Previous value of A and B is A equal to 10 and B equal to 20. Okay. So this is the program that you can practice. Hopefully everybody have understand. Okay. And the next class we'll see some strings and single line comments, double line comments, multi-line comments. Okay. And some topics I will also cover. So let me. Okay guys, this is the program that we did practice, and you hopefully will also practice. And if you like my video, please like and subscribe and share, so that's I can prepare more videos on this in upcoming days. Thank you.